Hello and welcome to another screencast review. My name is David Strom. If you're looking for a way to protect your Android and iOS apps from malware and other mobile threats, you should look at Zimperium's zIAP SDK. Here we see its management console and its summary dashboard to deploy your protection code inside your apps. We see a timeline of threats observed and the list of active devices across our network. We can also see the two color schemes for the product that we can toggle back and forth with. We'll first start with setting up a team of our developers that will be building our app. You can see how far we can organize and assign them with a wide array of very granular roles that can have both edit and view-only rights. And this can map to your team structure very easily. Next, we'll want to start with one of our existing apps and add protection code. We go to the In-Apps menu and fill out these fields with the basic information. Zimperium has included various sample apps to show us how their integration works. We go to the Downloads tab, and here you'll see a series of choices for iOS, Android, and the Open Apache Framework Cordova plugins that support zIAP. Samples are available in a wide variety of languages, including Objective-C and Swift for iOS, and Java and Kotlin for Android. We then drop our zIAP SDK code into the Apple Xcode framework, where we are building our sample app. Add a few lines of code, and then compile it. Once the build is finished, we can run the protected app on an actual device or using the built-in emulator. Here we show you what the sample app looks like. We go back to our simulated app and generate a few sample threats. This makes it easy for app developers to test their own remediation techniques without having to go through any detection process. Over on the dashboard, you see the effect of these apps. We can search through both devices and threats and focus on a particular issue and get more information as we see on the screen. We can change the time period shown with this drop-down menu. This search happens quickly and can scale to millions of threats. zIAP also contains powerful data export features that can be used to configure multiple data streams to push to archiving and real-time purposes like the Splunk platform. Online docs are plentiful using the tab on the left-hand menus, and here we see the workflow for setting things up and a place to download the entire doc set to a local drive. Here are the code libraries that zIAP uses. We're also looking at the docs for the server-side APIs, which are available for end-user system integration. We can also see the results shown in our Splunk dashboard and how we can use it to search for sample threats that we've injected to test the app. Let's also examine the policy setup. You can specify very granular groups of users that can be assigned different policies. You can also determine what configuration data is part of the export under the Privacy tab here. You can select a wide array of information that are or aren't collected. Thanks for watching this screencast video. This is David Strom, and you can watch my other videos or sign up for my emailed newsletters at the links shown here. Zimperium's zIAP is affordably priced based on the average monthly active devices, and you can request a download for a free trial for 30 days by going to the URL shown on your screen.